Introducing Systematic Strategy Scans, the new and improved, done-for-you market scanner. This is the 5-minute run-through. For a more thorough explanation, we have an almost 40-minute instructional presentation available on our site. First off, what are systematic strategy scans, and why should I care if I'm a trader or investor looking for potential daily market opportunities? Strategy scans are a new and improved evolution to the traditional stock market scanner. You've probably visited sites like finviz.com and others that give you the ability to scan for dozens of data points on hundreds or thousands of stocks that meet specific criteria. But these types of market scanners can be limiting. Why? Because they are one-sided by assuming buy criteria only. And you don't really have any way of knowing what kind of performance is possible if you decide to take action on the scan results they give you. Strategy scans simplify and also take traditional scanning a big step further. How? By scanning for potential stock opportunities after each market close that meet actual full strategy criteria that can then be acted on the very next day. Normal market scanners are one-sided and only tell you when something meets a certain scanning criteria. You really have no way of knowing how good or effective the scans are. Strategy scans, on the other hand, are research-driven, full trading or investing strategies that take into consideration all the moving parts that are required for a total, turnkey trading or investing system. They encompass absolutely all the rules for entries, stop exits, profit target exits, position sizing, and money management. Strategy scans are based on tested, verified, and quantified full strategy systems, not just one-sided scans. They are a complete system and pretty much done-for-you stock scans. Let's see what this looks like by reviewing the View Backtest option. The first tab on the backtest is called Backtest Assumptions. The Assumptions tab highlights some key information about the backtest. It tells us when the strategy scan was first posted. It also tells you that this is a portfolio level backtest using the NASDAQ 100 as its universe of stocks to scan through. The backtest assumes starting with 100,000 in starting equity and using a maximum of 15 positions in the portfolio. The position size is 6.67% for each stock, and each position is equal weighted. We are not accounting for commissions. The start date of the backtest goes all the way back to January the 1st, 2000. This gives us lots of different market environments to gauge how well the strategy performed in the past. The end date is always the end of the last current month, since backtests are updated at the end of each calendar month. Let's jump to the Statistics tab. The Statistics provide some key performance metrics such as the average annual return, risk-adjusted return, exposure or time spent in the market, total number of trades, percent winners versus percent losers, maximum system drawdown, and key metrics like the compounded annual return divided by the maximum system drawdown, which can be used as a quick test to initially compare one system versus another. We can also compare a strategy to buy and hold. The Charts tab shows the portfolio equity curve, underwater equity, and profit table up to the last current month for even deeper insights into strategy performance data. Now let's have a look at the View Last Daily Scan section by clicking on the green button. This will be the more active link that users visit each day. These lists are computer-driven and automatically generated from the models each day. They are updated and posted several hours before the market open every day and for each distinct strategy scan. They are based on the closing data from the night before. Most of these models, unless otherwise stated, are end-of-day systems, and the data that is posted is valid from before the market open until the market close. Each list shows a self-contained, complete turnkey strategy or system. In other words, a full trading model. On the left-hand side is a list of potential buy scan output, and on the right side is a list of potential sell scan output. Although there is some variation between the buy scan and sell scan, they basically show the ticker symbol, date time of signal generation, ranking priority of signals for the buy side only, the action whether BTO for buy to open or STC for sell to close, the model's order type such as limit, market on open, or market on close, and model price. Additionally, the TIF or time in force, generally day only. A note is included at the top of each scan mentioning Alera Portfolio Manager. Alera Portfolio Manager is a piece of super useful software that many of us in the systematic investors community absolutely could not live without. APM allows our community members to easily manage multiple active trading model strategies at once in order to better increase and diversify market opportunities. APM, or Alera Portfolio Manager, is designed to streamline the entire process, making it more efficient and consistent while reducing or eliminating order entry mistakes. The look and feel of strategy scans may change from strategy scan model to reflect the different technologies used to evaluate the underlying strategy. We hope that this short presentation on our new strategy scans was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@systematic-investors.com or directly through the contact page on our website at www.systematic-investors.com. Trading and investing contain significant financial risks. Please take a moment to pause and read through the disclaimers in this presentation and on our website at systematic-investors.com.